Trigonometry again. We come to part 7. In this video, we are going to learn how to use the scientific calculator for sketching the trigonometric graph. Learn it. So now we are going to learn how to sketch the trigonometric graphs. We are going to make use of the calculator in sketching the graph. Look at the question. Sketch the graph of f of x equal to sin x, where x element of minus 180 to positive 180, the interval. Okay. The diagram sheet will show you the axis. So you will get this axis on the diagram sheet. Now let us make use of the calculator. We use the Casio FX82 here. Okay, so when you open the calculator, there is nothing there but to draw the function graphs. We need the table mode. So we go to the mode, press mode, then we have 3 options out of the 3. Okay, if you want to use the normal, it is 1 comp. If you want the statistics graph, you press 2. And here we need table mode. So we press 3. There we have f of x. What is our question? F of x equal to sin x. So you go and press sin. Now how to get x? Look at the x behind this bracket button. That is in violet color. So if you want anything with violet color, you go to the, look at this alpha button, press alpha and then press this bracket. You get x. Here is f of x equal to sin x on the calculator. Now we press equal to. This calculator got another option of drawing one more graph, that is dx. At present we are not using it. We are drawing only one graph. Press skip it. Equal to start. What is the meaning of start? It is the lower limit number of the question, minus 180. So start is minus 180. If the question says minus 360, the start is minus 360. Okay, so we press minus 180. Press equal to end. End is the upper limit of the interval, that is 180. Okay, so we take end is 180 equal to. Hope you understand. Now the next one is step. Choosing the step is also important. Look at the question. Sin of x, meaning sin of 1x. So if it is 1, you choose the step as 90. If it is 2 here, sin 2x, you divide 90 by 2 and get 45. If it is 3, 90 divided by 3 will be 30. You choose 30 as the step. So what is the number here? 1. So we choose 90. Hope you understand. Now we get the table. Here is the table. X and fx, 2 columns. X coordinate and what is the meaning of fx? Y coordinate. So minus 180 is 0. Okay. Then minus 90 minus 1, 0, 0. You can also write all these coordinates in your answer book if you want. Now we are going to plot the points. Okay, minus 180 is 0. Where is minus 180 is 0? Okay, you mark a point using the pencil or pen. The next number, next coordinate, minus 90 minus 1. Okay, so we mark another point there. Look at the point. Then we have 90, 0. Look at the calculator. 0, 0 now. So we go there. 0, 0. What will be the next number? 90 and 1. And last number 180 and 0. Okay. So this is how you plot the points very carefully, and then you draw smooth curve using the pencil or pen. You don't use the ruler. Remember that. Okay. So now let us sketch the graph. So here is our beautiful graph of f. If it is f of x, you label it as f. If it is gx, you label it as gx. And also, if the question insists to show the coordinates, you can mark the coordinates of the points. Okay, hope you understand this. So let us look at another question. F of x equal to cos 2x. Again, the interval is minus 180 to 180. Now, let us take our calculator. Here is our calculator. So, nothing is there. So, we start with our mode table. That is 3. I'm repeating it for those who did not understand very carefully. Watch. F of x equal to cos 2x. Cos, then we need 2, then x, alpha, and this bracket. Here it is. Okay. Press equal to gx, we skip. Start. Here, look at the question. Okay. Start is 2x minus 180. So you choose that. Minus 180. Press equal to ending. Positive 180 equal to step. The question is cos 2x. Okay, what we do? It is not 90. 90 divided by 2 is 45. Step number is 45 equal to, you get the table. Okay. And also you are given this diagram sheet, the Cartesian plane. We mark the points now. Minus 181. Minus 181. Okay, we go there. Next coordinate, minus 135, 0. Okay, we have the x-axis here, minus 135, 0. The third coordinate, what is the third coordinate? Minus 90, minus 1. Minus 90, minus 1. Then we have minus 45, 0. Minus 45, 0. Okay. Minus 45, 0 here. Next number, what is the next number? 0, 1. 0, 1 is here. Again, we do it very carefully. One coordinate, if go wrong, it is going to be a problem for us. 45, 0. Then we have 90 minus 1. 90 minus 1 here. 90 minus 1. And then we have 135, 0. Look at the point. 135, 0. Then we have 181. 181 again here. Okay. So that is our points. Now we are going to draw smooth curve. Look at the graph going like this. Okay. Don't use the ruler. So we have the beautiful graph of fx. Okay, label it. And that's how we use the calculator and sketching the graph. Now let us look at a tan graph also. Okay, by 3 examples we can understand the method. All right, now let us sketch the graph of fx equal to tan x. Okay, take the calculator. Here is our scientific calculator. Even if you have Sharp or any other brand, you must know how to use your own calculator. Now, our question is tan x. Okay, we go mode, table mode, that is 3, f of x equal to tan, press tan x, alpha x. After a few questions, you will be very sharp and fast. So we continue equal to gx, we don't want it now. Start minus 180 in this question equal to ending positive 180 equal to step tan of 1x. Okay, so we use 90 equal to, look at the question now. Coordinates minus 180 is 0. Okay, we mark that point. We are going to mark that. Minus 180 0 here. What is the number or the coordinate for minus 90? Look at that. It is error. So we must realize that it is an asymptote. Okay. So at minus 90, we need an asymptote. Okay. So we are going to draw at minus 90 an asymptote. Okay. Look at the asymptote drawn in dotted lines. Okay. You must have that one. Then we go to the calculator again. What's the next coordinate? 0, 0. No problem. We are having the 0, 0 here. Next one is another error, 90 error. 90 error. Meaning we need another asymptote there. Now look at the asymptote at positive 90. Let us continue. What is the next coordinate? 180, 0. There's no problem. We have 180, 0. Now, when we have these points available, you must know how to sketch. It is from minus 180 to positive 180. Now we are going to sketch it. So you draw a smooth curve towards the asymptote, but don't touch the asymptote here. And it must, you see this one, we pass this root minus 180 here and then draw a smooth curve. Don't go beyond to minus 180 as well. And once you are in the top of the graph, again the next time you leave it there, then you start from the bottom here on the other side. Then you go here, look at this minus 1 and go to 0. Again continue like this and going like that. So this point 45, 1. Okay, minus 45, minus 1, minus 1, that point is important. Going up, again you start from the bottom of the other side of the asymptote. Going here, passing through this point, then we go there. Okay, like that you must draw. We'll look at the error again. Okay, so that is how we practice all these questions. Okay, so let us draw the graph now. So here is our beautiful tan graph. Explain once again. Look at this one. Starting, we don't draw beyond minus 180 because the question is in the interval minus 180 to 180 here. And the asymptotes, how do we get the asymptote? It is where we see error. We draw asymptote at positive 90 and minus 90. We have asymptotes. So you draw that. Okay. Now, if the question says so, write down the coordinates, you must write down the coordinates. For example, 45, 1, minus 90, 0, okay, minus 135, 1, all the coordinates if you want. The question demands you can mention that. Okay, hope you understand the method. So that is the end of part 7. Hope you understood how to use the calculator and sketch the graph. You are given so many questions on the question papers. Practice all of them. And again, f of x equal to sine x plus 30, for example. Just punch in the numbers x plus 30 into the calculator. You will get all the coordinates. And then you plot the points and draw a smooth curve. You can sketch. Nowadays, the questions are one graph is given, then the question sketch another graph on the same set of axes. You can use your calculator and finish the second graph. Okay.